PBF stock, PBF Energy Inc. So this stock, according to Schaefer's investment research, has run up a gain of about 250% in this year 2022. At some point on the 27th of October, it printed a high of $49. In the last trading session, the session of the 8th of November, it closed at $47.28. Look at the chart we're talking about here. Sometime in October, it corrected or pulled back below its short and intermediate moving averages. That was it printed this low of $28.22 on the 19th of October, and since that time it has continued to extend. Unfortunately, we don't have the 10-day moving average on this chart, so they are also pointing out, amongst other things, that it has a very low volatility. Though it has a low implied volatility. Yes, where did they say that? It has a low implied volatility, which the folks at Investopedia are saying that options is people ask, is low implied volatility good? And they're saying options containing lower levels of implied volatility will result in cheaper option prices. This is important because the rise and fall of implied volatility would determine how expensive or cheap time value is to the option, which can in turn affect the success of an option trade. So let's see what they're saying there further. They say it's now might be a perfect time for option players to speculate on the stock's next move higher. As they mentioned before, PBF's Schaefer's volatility index is very low, the 6th annual percentile, plus its Schaefer's volatility scorecard sits at 92% out of 100. This means that not only are option traders pricing in relatively low volatility expectations at the moment, PBF Energy stock tends to exceed expectations. Exceed expectations. It also has a 10.2% short interest, which may be different. Okay, let's see what option traders are doing here. You can see they are pricing, going by this open interest for this November 18 series. They will expire on Friday. On Friday, the 18th of November, we can see that there's an open interest of 1,400 on the $50 strike. They're coming down to the December series as well. December series, we can also see as well, we have a 638 open interests there. So we have been able to determine a target of $52.516, taking the difference between 46.32 printed on the 27th of October and the lower value of 44.32 as well, printed on the 31st of October. The difference between them, you multiply that by 2.618, or indeed any other Fibonacci extension level you have, and then add that to the closing price or any other price you want. That's how we determine that target of $52.516. PBF Energy Inc stock up 258% in this year 2022. You can see that here. Evidently, I don't need to show you, it's evidently evident what's going on here. You can see that the low of this year 2022 was printed on the 16th of December. That was $11.22. It has since gone on to now, at some point actually reached $49. So PBF Energy strongly bullish amid broader market malaise or decay. Okay, so see what you make of all of these things concerning PBF stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.